Hello, my loving family. It's your girl, Bellissima, once again. If today is the first time of watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay? So, on today's recipe, it's very simple recipe. It's Sobolo drink or hibiscus tea. So let's go on with our ingredients. We have our hibiscus leaves, that's the Sobolo. We have our pineapple. We have our apple, ginger, cinnamon stick. If you have the powdered ones, you can use it. Those black pepper, dry pepper, cloves, aniseed. Then we have also precase. In English we call it aidan fruit. And then we have our honey that we're going to use it. If you don't like or you prefer using sugar, you can use it. Then this aidan fruit or precase too, it prevents us from our low blood pressure, as well as the hibiscus leaves. It's very good and healthy drink. So I urge you to try it at home, okay? So let's start with our recipe for today. Let's start. Before you boil your hibiscus leaves, you have to first wash it. So I've already washed it. So let's pour it. And then add water to it. Going to put it on fire. After, we are going to peel our pineapple and then our apple. So let's go. So I'm adding my aidan fruit or precase and then my cinnamon stick. You add it together. Let me cover it. Let's start peeling our pineapple. I've already washed my pineapple. Let's peel it. Make sure you cut all these black things from it. So this one I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to put it inside our Sobolo. So let's add our 2 pineapple inside our hibiscus leaves. Cover it. Our apple too has been washed. You can cut it and then add it to our pineapple. let's start blending our dry items. Our dry item is ready. Let's strain it. Let me use water to push inside my blender after we blend our fruits. It's okay. Let's blend our fruits, pineapple and then apple. And then let's a bit of water. Pineapple is ready. We are going to strain our pineapple too. Ready. Just look at it, the thickness, how thick it is, the color. So I'm going to strain it straight away into our pineapple and then apple. Easy to mix it. Very healthy drink. And just drink it very cold. You can even drink it hot. I can't mean to drink it hot here. Because here, so our weather is a bit cold. Strain it. After we add a little bit of our natural spices together. You can add another water and then boil it again. So I'm not going to throw this one away. Here, mix it with our pineapple and then apple. Ooh, very healthy drink. Strain our natural spices too. Let's put some. We are not going to put everything. Other than that, it will be the back will be very bitter. It's okay. Let me taste it. You sent. Let me add a little bit of my honey. tablespoon, it's okay. And you mix it together. Well guys, our hibiscus tea is ready, or Sobolo drink. It's ready. This is how we are going to enjoy it in our tea glass. It's very hot. That's why we are using our tea glass to enjoy it. Let me taste it. It's very good. You can hear the mint inside. On your throat. Let me crunch another one too. Perfect. Please, if today is the first time of watching my channel or my video, please like my video, share, subscribe and comment. Catch up in our next recipe. See you!